Welcome to your inner journey of mindfulness. Today, we invite your mind to enter a state of deep calm, inner harmony, and clear presence to help you face the challenges and unpredictability of our fast-paced world with more awareness, trust, and serenity. Take a moment now to find a comfortable and supportive position. Whether you're sitting on your bed, leaning against a wall, or resting on a meditation cushion, choose the position where your body feels supported, safe, and relaxed. Let's begin by gently closing your eyes. Lovingly place your hands on your heart. Feel the warmth of your palms. A sign of connection. Inhale deeply through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. Listen to the steady, soothing sound of your heart. It reminds you that life is flowing through you. This is your life force, prana, connecting you to everything. With each heartbeat, you sink deeper into this moment. You arrive in your inner space, calm, awake, and present. Feel how each exhale brings more lightness into your body. Let your hands gently rest in your lap. Now form the chin mudra, gently bringing thumb and index finger together. The other fingers remain relaxed, palms facing upwards, open to energy, open to light. This mudra offers inner alignment and centers your mind. Now, direct your attention to the point between your eyebrows, your third eye, the gateway to your intuition. What do you perceive? Colors, light, silence, whatever appears, accept it without judgment. Be the silent observer. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, release everything you no longer need. Relax your forehead, your eyes, your cheeks. Soften your jaw. Feel relaxation spreading like a warm current through your neck, your shoulders, your arms, all the way to your fingertips. Let this wave continue to flow down your back, your hips, your legs, and into your feet. Stay in this presence. Feel the gentle rhythm of your breath, fresh air flowing in, and old, used energy flowing out. You might feel a tingling in your fingers or toes, a sign that your body is renewing itself. Whatever happens, you don't need to change anything. Everything is allowed to be. In this moment, you are whole. Here, you find peace, clarity, and deep stillness. It's normal for thoughts to arise, memories, worries, or plans. When you notice your mind drifting, gently bring it back with your breath. Your breath is your anchor. It guides you into the now, where your true home is. Breathe in deeply and breathe out gently. It's okay to feel uncertain or tense. That's part of being human. But remember, you are in the now. You are safe. You are guided. Even though you can't always control the course of life, it is in your power to choose how you respond. You are allowed to choose compassion, strength, mindfulness. Take one more deep breath and release what you no longer wish to carry. Now imagine a gentle, radiant light flowing down from above, white, or in a color that brings you comfort. It streams through the crown of your head into your body, filling every cell with pure, healing energy. This light strengthens you, realigns you, and restores your inner balance. With every inhale, you take in this light. With every exhale, you release heavy, used energy like a gray cloud that is lovingly absorbed by the earth. You now set a powerful intention to let go of everything that no longer serves you. Old thoughts, burdensome emotions, limiting patterns. You breathe in light and release darkness. Inhale, exhale. In this process, you return to your inner peace. Bring your attention once more to the center of your third eye. Notice how you feel now. Perhaps clearer, calmer, more connected. If doubts or resistance appear, you don't need to react. Simply acknowledge them, breathe, and let them pass. Breathe in deeply and out again. Silently repeat a powerful mantra that reminds you that you are supported. As I surrender to the unknown, I find my inner strength, my safety, and my guidance. I am in my power. I am safe, and I am guided. Speak this mantra within, with trust, with love, with your whole heart. Repeat it as often as you like, until your heart believes it. Remain in this healing stillness. Feel peace flowing through you. When you're ready, let go of the mantra and return to your breath. Feel your body, perhaps warm, pulsing, alive. Feel your heart. And now take a moment to feel gratitude for your body, your breath, your awareness. The ability to feel yourself and to dive into the depth of your soul. Take one last deep breath and release everything you don't wish to take with you. Slowly return. And remember, you have the power to choose consciously. Not fear or uncertainty guide you, but your inner attitude. Find joy in the simple things. Feel gratitude for what is right now. You are strong, you are safe, and you are guided by your light, your wisdom, and the love that surrounds you. Thank you from the bottom of my heart for sharing this moment with me. I send you light, love, and all my positive energy. Stay centered, stay mindful, stay in your power. Namaste.